The art of cooking, exploring the beauty of culinary skills. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of culinary arts. We'll explore what makes cooking not just a necessity, but an art form. Cooking is a universal language, and understanding its nuances can be both fun and educational. So, let's embark on this delicious journey together. In this section, we'll delve into what the phrase, the art of cooking, really means. It's not just about preparing food, but it's about creativity, passion, and expression. Cooking is an art because it involves imagination and the ability to create something beautiful and enjoyable from a range of ingredients. We'll look at how cooking can be a form of personal expression, much like painting or music. Here, we'll take a brief look at the history of cooking. From the early days of roasting over an open fire to the modern culinary techniques, cooking has evolved significantly. This evolution reflects not only technological advancements but also cultural and artistic developments. We'll see how different cultures have contributed to what we now call the art of cooking. In this section, we'll compare ingredients to an artist's palette. Just like painters mix colors, chefs mix flavors, textures, and aromas to create a masterpiece. We'll explore how the choice of ingredients, their quality, and how they are combined can make a huge difference in cooking. This section will highlight the importance of freshness, quality, and thoughtful combinations. Cooking, like any other art, has various styles and techniques. We'll explore some popular cooking methods like baking, grilling, sautéing, and more. Each technique has its own charm and brings out different flavors and textures in food. We'll also look at how different culinary styles from around the world have their unique approaches to cooking, emphasizing the diversity in culinary arts. A significant aspect of the art of cooking is presentation. In this section, we'll discuss how the visual aspect of food plays a crucial role in its appeal. We'll talk about the importance of color, arrangement, and serving style. This part will illustrate how a well-presented dish can elevate the dining experience, making it about more than just taste but also about visual enjoyment. Here, we'll explore the emotional aspect of cooking. Cooking can be therapeutic and a way of expressing love and care. We'll discuss how food is often associated with memories and emotions, making it a powerful medium for expression. This section will highlight cooking as a way to connect with others and oneself. I hope this video has given you a new perspective on cooking and helped you appreciate it as an art form. Cooking is more than just preparing meals. It's about creativity, expression, and sharing. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, remember that every dish you prepare is a unique piece of art. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.